This HOLT air operated brake bleeder with auto refill kit is totally worth the money. It was $100 at Harbor Freights, and as you know, Harbor Freights, it's kind of hit or miss, but the auto filler, this thing actually worked totally as expected. This thing worked great. As long as you have compressed air, it just sucked everything up, and I could not be happier, to be honest. So if you have to fluid replacement for brakes, this is definitely the way to go for $100. Easy. Thing comes like this, all attached, and you just plug that into there, click, click, put this on your bleeder valve, and then plug your compressed air into here. And as you turn this valve, the compressed air is going to flow very gently, not a whole lot. Makes a little noise, but not much. And that creates a Venturi effect, and it creates a little vacuum, and it'll just suck everything right from that bleeder valve and store it in here. As fluid drains into here, this thing keeps your reservoir filled. So you can do an entire fluid exchange for brake fluid super easy. I was shocked at how it actually worked. Totally worked as advertised. So this device here clips onto the edge of your reservoir, and this nozzle literally just sits in your reservoir, and when you open this valve here, open the valve, it just basically drips. Gravity feeds into your reservoir until the reservoir comes up to this height. So wherever you set this height is how high your reservoir will come up, and it works fantastic. So in theory, all I got to do is turn this on, break the bleeder valve, and it should start sucking out. Crank this a little. There it goes. Let's go check the auto refill. How's it doing? But bottom line is, once you get it set up, when this goes down, this will autofill until it hits that point and then stop filling. I was shocked at how it actually worked. So kudos to HOLT Industries. Good work, guys, good work.